Tuesday.
Hey there, it's Jared Hamilton with the Hamilton Group at Cherry Creek Mortgage. Welcome to another edition of Java with Jared. I'm actually without Java today. I'm at a mortgage conference, or was at a mortgage conference, and we were running a little bit late, so I'm coming to you from the airport and without any Java. But the news of the week is that interest rates finished the week about unchanged. They're a little bit better today, primarily due to the Federal Reserve meeting, and I'll get to that in a second. But for economic data for the week, we actually saw the CPI and PPI come out. Those were both down slightly. The CPI came in down 0.3%. PPI was down 0.1% on the core rate, where the headline number was 0%. So it shows that there's really absolutely no inflation out there, which is actually ultimately good for interest rates. We also did see housing starts and building permits come in. Housing starts came in about down 14%, and building permits were down about 6%, which are both, pretty good drops. But the reality is, on the heels of last month's really, stellar numbers, these numbers really aren't that bad. But again, the big news of the week was the Federal Reserve meeting. Everybody was waiting with bated breath to see what would happen with that. And as expected, the Federal Reserve said that they will continue to have a low interest rate environment for a considerable period of time. They were wondering if they're going to take considerable out of the verbiage of there. They didn't. And as also expected, they would continue to taper another $10 billion, so there's only another $15 billion left, which will come off the table for the quantitative easing in October. So everything was just as expected and no big surprise to the market, and so interest rates improved today a little bit on the news. So that's what happened with rates. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Thanks for joining me with lack of Java with Jared today. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. If you ever have questions, give us a call. We're happy to answer your questions. Bye-bye.